What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today's video is gonna be great because we are doing some maintenance to the 335. It's gonna be nice and solid, hopefully. So today we're gonna be doing the oil change and another little mod, or not even a mod, but another maintenance piece that a lot of people overlook, and that is the cabin air filter. So I actually ordered a new cabin air filter because a lot of people forget to replace cabin air filters, or they just look over it. It's a big deal actually because it helps with the circulation of the car inside. So I figured I would knock that out, plus doing an oil change. So let's go ahead and start it. Nor left his car here. He forgot to leave his key, so I can't really do anything with that. So I'm gonna have to use this lift, which I don't normally use. John's truck is over here, so I'm gonna have to pull that out real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull on the 335. All right, boys, we're up here. This thing's tall. All right, here we go. I don't really know how this thing works, so let's go ahead and try to move this thing. All right, I don't know how this thing works. Okay, all right, I'm gonna try to figure it out. I think I need a truck now. I guess there's a reason why I'm not a truck person. So. Now I just gotta put these up here. Take this off, need those. Just like that. All right, so I'm actually gonna set up a fan as well, just to speed up the cooling process, because I'm gonna have to wait like 20-30 minutes probably just for it to cool down just a bit. Right now it's really hot outside and the engine is really hot as well. So want to let it cool down so I don't burn myself trying to do the oil change. But here's a good look of the engine bay for you guys. I don't think I've showed this on camera yet, but everything's pretty solid, like stock. It's practically stock. I'm gonna be ordering a few more like coolant pieces just to replace a few of like the cooling systems, and then eventually I'm gonna mod the car as well. So I wanna make sure it's solid before I mod it. That's why I'm doing this oil change as well. But let's go ahead, set up the fan and let it cool off. This probably won't do that much, but might as well just do it anyway. Hopefully it will help speed up the process of it cooling down. I'll catch back with you guys once I've been waiting for the car. So see you guys then. All right guys, so it's been about 45 minutes, I'd say. I think that's plenty of time, especially with the fan going on, to keep it cool, or to cool it down, hopefully. I changed into some other clothes because I don't want to get those clothes dirty. I got my work clothes on now. What I got over here is the cabin air filter. So we're gonna set that right over here. And then I ended up going Liqui-Moly 5w-40. A lot of you guys on Instagram were saying 5w-40 over 5w-30 just because it's a little bit better for the summertime, and it's really hot right now during the summer months, especially where I am in California. It gets really, really hot. It's been getting up to 105, which is crazy hot, and so I just want to make sure the engine is properly cooled and runs smoothly. So that's why I went the 5w-40. Maybe during the winter time I'll go back to 5w-30. For now we're gonna stick with this. So we got 7 liters, I believe. Should be perfect. Gonna use all of it. Here's the other one. And by the way, I got this from FCP Euro. I know that they have like the best warranty for this kind of stuff. That's why I went with them. And you can actually even get free oil changes by like turning in your old oil, and they'll refund you for the new oil. So you can pretty much just get like buy it once and get free oil changes after that. So I'm gonna try to do that. And then I also got the filter over here. Hopefully it's not destroyed, because this box looks kind of destroyed. Okay, it looks fine. And then I got the man filter, which is the best for these. Looking good. Perfect, got everything over here. All right, let's go ahead and start the oil change. Alright guys, so we just finished up the oil change. I did end up going 5w-40 like I said, the liquid moly. A lot of you guys told me that on Instagram. By the way, go follow me on Instagram right over here. I post a lot of pictures of this car, other people's cars. I also do photo shoots, just letting you guys know. So if you guys want a photo shoot, Sacramento area, let me know. Before we put in the cabin air filter, let's go ahead and start up the car. Make sure everything's good. I know I tightened it down properly and everything, so it should be good to go. All right, that's perfect. Just what we wanted to see. I think what we're gonna do next is go ahead and put in the cabin air filter. This is the one I got from FCP Euro, so lifetime warranty. I'm pretty sure I could probably return this as well and maybe get a refund. I don't really know how that works. I'll have to look more into that, like I said, but let's go ahead and put this in. All right, so I moved the truck back in. I also forgot, I was gonna put windshield washer fluid in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. It goes right over here. Let me go grab that. So one thing that sucks about parking under trees is that the birds just like to, destroy your car. so I think I might actually wash this car after I do the cabin air filter, but I literally just washed this car the other week, and it might be like a summer thing, I don't know, but like there's so many bugs that just like I hit on the road or whatever, and then birds like going crazy. Like look at all these bird droppings. Like what is this? What is this? So I think I might wash it after. Anyway, let's go ahead, get started. I believe that there's like a 10 mil to get from under here. That's kind of weird. This was already unplugged, so the dashboard light was already unplugged. So somebody's definitely been in here recently, so maybe it's already been replaced, but I hope not. Well, I guess it's a good thing regardless, so I guess it doesn't really matter, but. All right guys, so this is actually not terrible. It has a little bit here and there of dirt, nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and see the new one just for comparison. So it's actually looking pretty new, but might as well just replace it anyway. It definitely doesn't hurt to replace it. Here's the back side of the old one, and here's the new one. So I guess it just bends into place. It's kind of weird how they have it set up, but this is the one that they said would fit for my car from FCP Euro, so I'm hoping this is it. Alright guys, so we got the new cabin air filter in, which is perfect. So it looks like I didn't even really need one, but it's always good to do it anyway. Always double check to see if your cabin air filter is good. Might as well replace it. It's only like $5–10 bucks, something like that. It's always a good thing to do. It's still maintenance, good to do it. So make sure you guys double check that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car real quick. I won't show too much of me washing the car because I wash my car a lot. So I'm just gonna quickly do it, and I think I'll end the video there.